So we are continuing the topic how to choose the best chatbot for your business. We are starting understanding AI chatbots, diverse types and capabilities is just the tip of the iceberg. Yes, the subsequent phase involves making an enlightened decisions in choosing the most fitting chatbot for your enterprise. So let's explore a comprehensive evaluation, which is important to identify and implement the ultimate chatbot solution for your business. I want to go through with you factors to consider, ensuring that your chatbot aligns with your business objectives and also amplifies your customer engagement strategy. So first thing to consider is purpose and capabilities. Begin by crystallizing the specific roles and functionalities that you envisage your chatbot performing, ensuring it serves your operational customer service objectives effectively. Second thing you need to figure out is ease of integration. You need to understand and choose a chatbot that assures effortless integration with your systems, making partners like Yellow.ai, who specialize in seamless deployment and invaluable asset. Third one is AI and machine learning. Probe into the chatbot's AI and machine learning capabilities, ensuring it possessed the prowess to evolve and facilitate through continual learning and data processing. First thing to think about it is natural language processing (NLP). Seek NLP functionalities that empower the chatbot to comprehend and return to natural language inputs contextually. You need to remember about multilingual support, especially if it's critical for global operations. Elect chatbots that support diverse languages, ensuring your customer communications are unhindered by linguistic barriers. Sixth one is customizability. Opt for chatbots that allows you to tailor experiences, enabling the reflection of your brand's persona and meeting bespoke customer requirements. 7 is scalability. Ensure your chosen chatbot can seamlessly scale, accommodating growth and handling workloads as your business and customer base burgeon. 8 is security and compliance. Steer toward chatbots that adhere rigorously to industry-specific security protocols and regulatory safeguarding data and interactions. 9. Analytics and reporting aspect. A chatbot with robust analytical and reporting faculties will enable you to track performance and extract pivotal customer interaction insights. Also think about the cost. Yes, analyze the financial implications holistically, including the initial setup, ongoing sustenance and any pertinent subscription of usage fees. 11. Vendor reputation and support. You need to choose esteemed vendors who bring a proven track record and excellent customer support, ensuring your chatbot solution is always in proficient hands. Also remember about user experience. Navigate toward chatbots that guarantee an intuitive, user-friendly experience, ensuring smooth and satisfying customer interactions. And trial periods. Leverage trial periods where possible, permitting you to use the chatbot's compatibility, which is fit to your business needs prior to a full commitment. To summarize, I believe that right now you have a little more understanding how to choose the best chatbot for your business, and you see it's everything depends from the business needs, and only you understand what's the most fitting chatbot for your enterprise. So thank you for today's video and see you later.